In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain on Direct Admin cPanel. I'll also show you how to install WordPress on your subdomain after creating it. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain on Direct Hosting cPanel, and I'm using Asura Hosting. I'll leave a link to Asura Hosting in the description down below so that you can check it out. Already, I've logged into my Direct Admin cPanel, and under Account Manager, I click on Subdomain Management. I already have one subdomain created. I just go ahead and click on Add Subdomain. In here, I enter the name I want to use as my subdomain. Already I have .dikupagesweb.com. So whatever name I will type here, it will now be example.dikupagesweb.com. So I'm going to use digital. So my subdomain will be digital.dikupagesweb.com. I click on Add Subdomain. Subdomain created, and you will see it right here. So now that my subdomain is created, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and install WordPress on it. So I go to the dashboard and I scroll down to extra features, then I click on Software Close Auto Installer. With Software Close Auto Installer, you are just a few clicks away from installing WordPress. So in here I have WordPress. I go ahead and click on install, and I choose installation URL. Make sure the protocol is set to HTTPS, and in here I choose the domain I want to install on, and that is digital.dikupagesweb.com. That is what I just created. In directory, you don't want to put anything in here. Going down under site settings, you enter the name of your website as well as the site description. I'll leave them as they are for now. You can change them after installing WordPress. Under admin account, I'll enter my admin username, my admin password, as well as my email address. I'll do this pretty quick and get back to you. So I've entered my username, password, as well as email address. So these details is what I'll always use to log into my WordPress website in order to edit it. Going down, I click on install, and WordPress will install in some few seconds. I am doing this in real time. Alright, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. I can click on the URL and this will take me to the front end of my website. Awesome. And then going back, when I click on the administrative URL, this one, it will take me to the back end of my website. So I click on it. Awesome. So I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress website, and from here I can start working on my WordPress website. So that's it on how to create a subdomain on Direct Admin cPanel and also install WordPress on it. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.